Want to keep your septic tank healthy and avoid expensive repairs? It all starts with knowing how to prevent septic tank overload. Did you know that overloading your septic tank can lead to costly repairs, environmental damage, and even health risks for your family? Many homeowners unintentionally overload their systems by flushing the wrong items or using too much water. Here's how to protect your system. Your toilet is not a trash can, so only flush human waste and toilet paper. Things like wipes, diapers, and hygiene products don't break down and can clog your system. Harsh chemicals, like bleach and drain cleaners, harm the bacteria that break down waste. Be mindful of water usage. Too much at once can overwhelm your system. Spread out laundry loads, fix leaks, and consider low-flow fixtures to reduce strain. By following these tips, you'll extend the life of your septic system and avoid costly problems later. Don't wait until it's too late. Arm yourself with the knowledge you need to protect your home, your family, and your wallet. Click the link below to get instant access to the no-nonsense guide to septic tanks today.